Before the sun even thinks about rising, you're already awake. Not because you want to be, but because the city won't let you sleep. A baker pounds dough somewhere below. A rooster crows from a neighbor's window. And in a few hours, you'll step into one of the busiest, most dangerous cities the ancient world had ever seen. This is your insula. A cramped 4-story apartment block of wood and brick, wedged between dozens just like it. No marble halls, no luxury. Just the place you'll call home for as long as it stays standing. You push yourself up from a straw mat. There's no bed frame, no soft mattress, just a hard floor and the smell of smoke that never really leaves Rome's air. Breakfast is whatever's left. A piece of stale bread. Maybe a little cheese if you've had a good week. You eat quickly because every minute you spend here is a minute you're not earning tomorrow's meal. Step outside and Rome is already alive. The streets are packed. Carts creak under heavy loads of grain. Merchants shout over each other. A woman walks past balancing a water jar as if it weighs nothing. Then, without warning, someone dumps last night's waste from an upstairs window into the street below. You learn very quickly that in Rome, it's just as important to watch above you as it is to watch where you're walking. And this is where life really begins. By the second hour of the morning, wealthy Romans are greeting guests in elegant marble courtyards. You're already hard at work. Maybe you're hauling massive blocks of stone for a building that will still stand 2,000 years from now. Maybe you're selling goods in a crowded market, trying to make your voice louder than everyone else's. Whatever your job is, it's exhausting, it's noisy, and nobody cares if you're tired. By midday, the heat settles over the city like a heavy blanket. For a brief moment, everything slows down. You grab a bowl of pulse, a simple porridge made from grain, sometimes with a drizzle of oil, if fortune happens to smile on you. You eat fast because lingering isn't worth the risk. Leave your purse unattended for a few seconds, and it's gone. In a city this crowded, distraction is expensive. But the hardest part of the day isn't over yet. As the afternoon drags on, every lift, every step, every hour adds another layer of pain to your back and shoulders. Tomorrow won't be any different. Because in Rome, missing a day's work usually means missing a day's food. Then the sun begins to disappear, and the city becomes even more dangerous. Your insula isn't just crowded, it's unstable. The wooden beams are old, the walls are cracked, fires spread terrifyingly fast, and collapses happen often enough that everyone knows someone who never made it home. So when you climb those narrow stairs tonight, you do what you've always done. You climb quickly, and you try not to look too closely at the cracks running through the walls. Inside, there's no oven waiting, no warm place to relax, just a small oil lamp, whatever bread remains, and the constant noise drifting in from outside. Drunken arguments, rattling cartwheels, distant shouting that never quite stops. This is the side of ancient Rome most people never imagine. Not the emperors, not the triumphs, not the gleaming marble temples, but the smoke in your lungs, the ache in your muscles, the fear that the building around you might not still be standing by mourning. For most Romans, this wasn't history in the making. It was simply another ordinary day. And when dawn comes, you'll wake up and do it all over again. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments.